Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the TOTO WASHLET A2 electric bidet toilet seat. Let's get it unboxed and see what it's about. Alright, like I said in the intro, this is a nice, awesome bidet. Comes with heated seat, heated water, front and bottom stream, self-cleaning, adjustable pressure, and heating. It's also compatible with most toilet seats. Check the item description to see if yours fits. And it comes with everything you need for the setup except the tools. And you may also need an extension cord like me. Okay, with that said, let's get this thing installed. So once again, you'll have everything you'll need will be at your fingertips when it's installed, and it's very, very easy. Starting first, what you want to do is go to your old toilet seat and get rid of that thing and throw it away. Also make sure you got an outlet that's close by. Okay, so just unscrewing the outlet, unscrewing the toilet seats here. And then once it's done, clean up and go ahead and put these little rubber gasket looking things and place them all the way down. Then you put the bracket right on top. Put these little centering pieces there, right there in the center. Drop your screws into place and start to tighten down. Just make sure this is really tight or the toilet seat will move back and forth. Now what we're going to do is shut off the water, undo this hose, install this one, connect that at the bottom, make sure it's nice and tight. We don't want no leaking. Then you can go ahead and place the toilet seat right on and smack it to the back, and you will feel it lock in place. And you should not be able to remove it after it's locked. It should be nice and tight. Then we're going to connect the last little hose. Make sure that's tight. Plug the device in, turn the water back on and check for leaks. Now we test.
This thing is worth the hype.
And I gotta say, this is an instant hit. Everybody will enjoy that. And it was the TOTO WASHLET A2 electric bidet toilet seat. Get yours now while you still can.